Welcome to the demonstration for viewing, editing and adding milestones. In this video, you will learn how to view, edit and add milestones for your awarded projects, identify the status of a milestone, understand the categories of milestones, and complete milestones. When you are logged in, you'll see your personal overview. Select the Awards tab on the left-hand side of the screen. A full list of your awarded projects will appear. Select the title of the one you want to view the milestones for. You can now see a full record for that project. On the right-hand side of the screen, under the Milestones heading, you can see a list of all of the milestones. These are colour-coded. This is so you can easily identify the status for each of them. Those coloured green are milestones that have been completed. Amber are milestones that have not yet been completed. Red milestones are overdue, while purple milestones still need a date to be added. For each milestone, you can see a title and details of how many days until that milestone is due. Selecting one of the milestones will open the Project Record Editor, where you can now see a description for the milestone and whether it is administrative or academic. Administrative milestones include progress reports, final reports, and invoicing dates. Some of these, such as invoicing dates, are read-only for researchers and can only be edited by professional staff. There are, however, certain administrative milestones, such as progress reports and final reports, that require academic input. These will be available for academic staff to edit and complete. Academic milestones may include goals and events within the life cycle of the project. For example, dates for project stage completion, staff recruitment, and submitting conference abstracts. These are specifically designed to allow academics to keep track of their project activities. To mark a milestone as complete, simply tick the Complete box. Once you have marked it as complete, it will move from the Upcoming area to the Completed area of the Milestones section. You can now attach documents to the milestone, such as a copy of the conference abstract, by selecting the Attach icon. This is useful for keeping track of all of the documents associated with the record in one place. It is important to remember that there is no link between the funder's system and Pure, so you still need to send a copy of the document to the funder. If you want to edit the milestone, for example, to change the completion date, you simply select the Edit button. When the milestone record opens, scroll to the bottom of the record and change the complete date. Select the Update button. By default, the completion date is set to the date you marked the milestone as complete. To add a milestone, select the Add Milestone button, which appears at the bottom of the milestones list. Please note that you are only able to add academic milestones to your project. Give it a name, a description, and a deadline. Also note the role of the person responsible for this deadline. This will default to Primary Chief Investigator, as they are generally the person setting up the record. But you can choose Chief Investigator or Partner Investigator from the drop-down list if you want one of the other team members to be responsible for the milestone. You can set up to 3 reminder emails to be sent, months, weeks, and days before the deadline for a particular milestone, to the responsible person you selected from the role drop-down list. Select the Add button. Remember to select the Save button before exiting the record. Another way that you can access your milestones is through the Award Management tab at the top of the screen. This will display your academic milestones. From here, you can also synchronise milestones to your calendar by selecting the calendar symbol next to each milestone. In the iCal function, add the link to your Google Calendar. The calendar synchronises with Pure so that every time you change a date in Pure, it automatically changes in your calendar. If you are not receiving notification emails about milestones, check your email settings within the Personal User Settings section of Pure. More support materials are available from the My Research website, www.monash.edu/myresearch.